Follow the steps on how to edit a document photo with perspective like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. First, activate the Perspective Crop tool and add points to each corner of the paper. Use the crop tool to fix the angle of the text. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate. Go to Filter and open the Camera Raw filter. Edit exposure and contrast. Press Enter. Then go to Select and select Color Range. Click on the text to sample the color. Set the fuzziness to maximum and click OK. Go back to Select, Modify and Expand. Fill in 1 pixel and click OK. Press Ctrl+J. Then select this layer and add a white solid color. Select this layer and add levels. Click this icon, then set the value. Select all these layers and group them. Here is the before and after. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.